Hey, what's up guys, it's Randomizer44 and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can get free cars, like no gear, no nothing, on Robloxian Live. And before this video starts, just get 3 likes. And just try to get 3 likes, and thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers. There will be a new video coming out soon, but this video is like how to get free cars. Like no gear, no nothing. So what you want to do is go up to a car. And go up to a Lamborghini. See how it has that green money thing? It means that you have to buy it. Watch. Like, see? So what you want to do? Go up to it. Works with any cars. So what you want to do is just go spam it. Just like go back and forth to it. And if you get to a passenger, just jump out and keep going. And then you will know that you're inside because it will make like the engine noise and you'll be able to drive it. Watch. Take some time, but you just have to like practice. And like going like trying to glitch inside. Just watch. It should get it somewhere right about now. Yeah, that's all you want to do. Just keep going back and forth to it until you actually get in it. There's actually a glitch, and like you'll glitch inside. So like passing the buying. So just keep no. So just keep going back and forth. If you want, just like jump. But you should get it. But yeah, it will take some time. Look, see, there you go. See, now you're in it. Just to show, watch. From here, you can just exit to show you proof. Watch. You can go back. There's no mods or anything. This works with all devices, I think. Just follow the same steps and you should be able to get any car for free. So yeah, this video, sorry for not uploading in like a month or 3 months. New video will be dropping out tomorrow. And no, new video will be dropping out next week. And yeah, so here's how you get free cars. Like expose gold diggers with it, impress your friends. Yeah, but probably this glitch is probably gonna get patched, so do it now that it's not patched. Yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share, turn notifications on. See you guys next time.